What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a power bank. Well, for that you need a casing just like this, and this thing comes with the circuitry inside for the battery connection and the power output, and also LED torchlight at the top. I'm going to show you in details. Open it up, and there is a button here, and for indicator lights are there. So you need a casing just like this, and need a battery that's called 18,650 3.7 volt battery with 2200 milliampere each. So if I connect 5 of them, and if I get at least 2000 mAh power battery, then I'll get like 10,000 mAh of total battery capacity. So let me tell you the price. This thing cost me 120, and this thing cost me like 350. So if I connect this thing and make this thing, so the power bank would cost like 470. And you know, in the market you wouldn't get any power bank of 10,000 mAh below 800 or 900, something like that. So if you can make it by yourself, that would be much cheaper, and you know, the capacity are same. Even I must say that you'd get much better than this, because if you buy a 10,000 mAh power bank, then you'll get around 7,500, something like that, mAh of capacity, as I have tested it personally. So, but in this thing, as the battery capacities are like 2200, but if I take them as 2000 power battery, so I'll get 10,000 mAh of full capacity. So this is much better. Now let's get started, connect it and make it so we can use it. So let's start. Alright, so there's a game called Team Master. Oh, that's the one. I'll get the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Team Master, and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game, and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So that's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game, or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you earn money. So you get the details right here. So do check my description, check out the link.